ओके, रिकॉर्डिंग तो स्टार्ट कर दिया मैंने। तो ऑडियो वगैरह सब क्लियर है ना? तेरा तो एकदम क्लियर आ
सब
रहा है
क्लियर,
मुझे।
सब क्लियर।
ओके, हे ब्रो व्हाट्सअप। हैंग हो गया क्या मेरा शक्ल?
हाँ, अभी हैंग हो गया जैसे ही
रुक
शुरू
जा,
हुआ।
अभी रुक जा। तो फोन आ रहा है, एक मिनट। मुझे लग रहा है सी एफ वन। हे ब्रो व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एंड हम लोग एक नई सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अभी। इट्स कॉल्ड लाइफ स्ट्रीमिंग. It's essentially a podcast which will cover stuff apart from fitness, physical fitness basically. It may go beyond physical, mental, fitness, and may go into career also, may go into growth also, other aspects. Live streaming ka ye it's the first episode, and we're going to talk about how we are coping with the pandemic. We're going to discuss a lot of terms which have come up in the pandemic in the last 1 year. ठीक है, how people are struggling or flourishing or languishing. ठीक है,
ये
so
टर्म्स।
yeah, how are you coping with this pandemic? एक साल.
सबसे heavy question first. First, it's great to be back, and hopefully it'll be a great conversation like last. And we got a lot of great reviews from the last chat that we did. A lot of people actually found it very useful, which is strange. We were just having a chat, a regular chat. Hopefully, this one also will be useful in some way, or if nothing else, a distraction. Because I think वो बहुत जरूरी हो गया. So how am I coping with the pandemic? I think I'm also hit like how the governments have been hit. मैं भी बिल्कुल थोड़ा उस मूड में आ गया था कि मे बी थिंग्स आर इम्प्रूविंग, अब सब सही हो जाएगा, वैक्सीन भी सबको लग रही है, and parents and all got it and everybody was kind of getting out of it. Not, I'm not saying कुछ लैक्स नहीं किया था, घर पे ही था, सब कुछ कर रहे थे, but this new lockdown has really sort of थोड़ा क्रेजी सा बना दिया. जब वो न्यूज सुनाई दिया तो you could just feel the spirits go down. लगा कि यार फिर से अब क्या हुआ. It's like the same as last year. So coping not very well. Nothing obviously wrong as such. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ physical mental issues नहीं है, but apprehension, fear है for sure.
The main thing which we have seen, the crucial, the change which has happened in the last 1 year, जब से pandemic has hit us, is basically that our style of working has changed. ठीक है, we have stopped going to the office. Physical workplace अब घर में आ गया है. ठीक है, हमारा वो commute का जो time होता था, where we used to transition from home to work, बदल गया है. So it's not there anymore, right?
Yeah.
और सेम स्पेस में घर भी है, काम भी है, फिटनेस भी हो रही है, चिट चैट भी हो रही है, सोशलाइज भी वही कर रहे हैं हम लोग, राइट? ऑनलाइन सब कर रहे हैं. सो दिस हैज लेड टू अ बिग शिफ्ट मेंटली आल्सो, राइट?
Yeah.
अभी सिंस वी हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ अबाउट दिस रिसेंटली, मेंटल, हमारा मेंटली कैसे हमें अफेक्ट कर रहा है कोविड, एंड नॉट जस्ट फिजिकली. फिजिकली तो बहुत कर ही रहा है, but mentally it's affecting us a lot. So what I read is that there are essentially three key things which are happening, right? Anxiety hai, fear hai, and fatigue hai. And this fatigue is majorly pandemic fatigue, right? Since the pandemic has set in March 2027, and we are stuck in our homes. I think in between हम लोग बाहर जाने लगे थे because of relaxations and all, but the same thing is repeating at the same time, right? April में lockdown था in India, and April में again it's lockdown in most of the places. If not lockdown, अभी situation बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. So it's definitely affecting us mentally. तेको क्या लगता है? As in, what have you seen in your circle? As in, what is happening with people around you, with you?
Yeah, like you said, exactly same feelings लोगों को हो रही हैं. People are fatigued, and that fatigue is a very strange kind of fatigue, where they are fatigued of work, they are fatigued of doing their regular routines. किसी को workout करने का मन नहीं हो रहा है. Very erratic behavior, if I may say so. जहाँ पे कि कभी you're so completely charged up to do everything, and then suddenly you're down. So that's a bit of an issue. In my case, what I've seen is, like you said, it's been too consistently द सेम रूटीन, आप सुबह उठते हो, आप बैठते हो अपने डेस्क पे, काम करते हो पूरे दिन, नोबडी केयर्स कि 7 बज गए, 8 बज गए, 9 बज गए, कॉल्स ऐसे ही आते रहते हैं, ऐसी मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं, एंड यू मूव ऑन, यू स्लीप, सेम रिपीट, सेम रिपीट, सेम रिपीट हैज बीन हैपनिंग फॉर अ ईयर। और जब लगने लगा था कि थोड़ा इंप्रूवमेंट होगा, उस समय दिस न्यू साइकिल हैज कम एंड हिट अस। सो आई डू अग्री कि पैंडेमिक फटीग तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, एंड इसमें बहुत सारे सब एलिमेंट्स भी हैं of why this is hitting us so badly, including, like you said, कि office work, fitness, everything is happening in one space, right? तो लोग कोई mental break नहीं है. We discussed this in our last session also, जहाँ पे we were saying that you really need to sometimes get out, get away from everything. वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. And people have forgotten that this is important. आप try भी कर लो 100% अपने साइड से कि मैं 7 बजे काम खत्म करके उठूंगा, लैपटॉप बंद करूंगा, आपको उस समय कॉल आने लग जाएगा. आप फोन स्विच ऑफ कर दोगे, आपको अपने पर्सनल फोन पे आने लग जाएगा
एकदम।
कॉल्स. तो इट इज क्वाइट डिसहार्टनिंग समटाइम्स कि यार क्या करूं और कैसे होगा, हाउ डू वी गेट आउट ऑफ दिस.
Very interesting, bhai. Interesting perspective. More importantly, have you seen any behavioral change in yourself and your family members, auntie, uncle, tera bhai? Behavioral change in terms of, for example, you may get angry pretty quickly now as compared to earlier, right? बहुत जल्दी snap कर जाता है. You feel sad most of the time, even if good things are happening around you. Right? या फिर you treat people differently than before. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Something like that.
Thankfully we are not seeing too much of that in the immediate family. ज्यादा behavioral change नहीं देखा मैंने. चिड़चिड़े हो गए हैं लोग, पर्सनली भी, प्रोफेशनली भी. थोड़ा मतलब ये होने लग गया है कि यार हो गया, मूव ऑन. जहाँ पे बहुत पेशेंस रहता था, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है. इन माय केस आई हैव नोटिस्ड, आई गेट स्लाइटली परटर्ब्ड एट वर्क आल्सो, पर्सनली आल्सो. मेरे को लगता है यार जल्दी करो, मतलब टाइम वेस्ट मत करो मेरा, बिकॉज ऑफ द people just having so many things that they want to get cleared. सबको अपना काम लगता है कि it's very very urgent, it's very important, आपका कोई नहीं देख रहा है. So I have noticed that in terms of major behavior change, I don't think I've seen any deep sadness or anything, but you do get a sense of sometimes कि यार यही है क्या, मतलब this is all that is left, और ये कितने दिन ऐसे चलेगा. And one thing that I've heard from a very close friend is, what do I do if the pandemic ends tomorrow? What should I look forward to? A very weird feeling, right? You would think कि लोग सोचेंगे मैं ये करूंगा, मैं बाहर जाऊंगा, मैं ट्रैवल करूंगा, but they like क्या, मतलब what should I do? What should I dream about right now? And which I thought is, yes, actually, if you think about it, आप किस चीज के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं?
Actually, you've raised a very good point because things will change drastically once the pandemic kind of ends completely, right? And we'll come to that question, right? I'll ask that question to you later in this podcast because
Sure.
that is a later stage of our discussion. ठीक है. So I think yeah, you're right. We have seen behavioral change, but not a big shift. Maybe because we are doing other stuff. Maybe because we are trying our best to stay sane, right? But what
And we're
I have
privileged. We're privileged. We
privileged,
have home,
absolutely.
जगह है,
We see a
fitness
lot
पे
of
ध्यान दे
people.
रहे हैं. Yeah.
Privileged to definitely have because even people who are seeing this podcast right now, I think they're privileged. They have an internet connection, they have a phone, they are looking at watching this podcast, listening to us talk stuff which people mostly who are privileged, who are working either suffer from. ठीक है, काफी लोग के पास बहुत खराब है अभी से. So let's admit we are lucky at least.
Agreed. That's very important. We
हाँ,
spoke about gratitude last time. ये सब ध्यान में रहना.
बहुत ज्यादा भाई. ग्रैटिट्यूड तो यार अभी ऐसा लग रहा है इट्स द बिगेस्ट वर्ड, बिगेस्ट बज़वर्ड बन जाएगा कुछ टाइम में ग्रैटिट्यूड अभी. बिकॉज हर चीज में यू नीड टू फील ग्रैटिट्यूड अभी. Whatever you have in life is all gratitude. Coming back to what I have seen. So since I just talked about workplaces shifting to home and workplace पे अब जाने का कभी शायद opportunity कुछ टाइम बाद मिले, but
Yeah.
since वो that space is getting pervaded by family members a lot, right? वो work space जो है तुम्हारा, वो time जो होता है, which you used to spend in office, उसकी वजह से भी people are losing their minds, right? होता है ना कि you are working and then suddenly something comes up at home, you have to run to finish that job or listen to your parents or wife or siblings or whatever. उससे you start snapping a lot because वो आपका वो time pervade हो रहा है, right? People are just coming into that space
Yes.
and taking that time away from you, which you used to focus. पूरा अपना तुम flow state में आ जाते थे. We'll discuss about flow state also.
Yeah.
But वो नहीं हो पा रहा है. That's the main reason why people are not able to focus, work, productivity levels are dropping like anything. वो कहते हैं we are multitasking, but we are not really multitasking. Multitasking, as per a lot of research also, is not great for productivity and getting results.
Don't get me started on multitasking. Multitasking, I feel, is a complete sham. I have my own thoughts about it. I feel I can't multitask. If I'm talking to you right now, I can't check my phone. Then I won't be listening to you. I won't be having a good conversation. And आप सोच लो आप ऑफिस का काम कर रहे हो, which is supposed to be so important, takes 8-9 hours of your day, and then your family. And humans aren't designed for parallel processing. We are designed for serial processing, right? Especially for important tasks. आप brush करते समय music ही सुनो तो you get confused. Think about bigger things. So that definitely affects the mood and snapping behavior जो हो रहा है.
Because lately I've seen a lot of articles on how to focus on work. ये focus वाला aspect school में मुझे याद है. हम school जाते थे, we used to be in a classroom, सिर्फ पढ़ाई हो रही होती थी. No mobile phones. तो social media तो उस time पे इतना prevalent था भी नहीं because we are millennials. We saw the advent of Facebook and all. नहीं था. And उस time पे समझ में आता है कि focus क्या चीज होती है. अब if we go back in time and think about it, concentration, focus and all, वो actual उस time पे होता था. So social media is playing a huge role in cutting out our focus time. COVID to hey anyways, right? A lot of stuff happening here and there. But generally, bro, how do you feel? As in, is there some feeling of emptiness or nothing to look forward to? Something like that at times.
Yeah, definitely. यार मतलब जब से ये अनाउंस हुआ है ना तब से कुछ हुआ. उससे पहले I was doing decently fine. Things were under control. Last time also during this time I faced some issues. I was अंदर से एक एंग्स्ट निकलती है यार कि क्या करूं मैं कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. It just seems to be negative all the way around. You don't see a way out. So that I'm feeling, I would equate it to a feeling of emptiness. Not emptiness. I have a good job. I'm doing impactful work. I have a good, decent family, and we are all sort of very close and trying to help each other get out of this. But there is still a feeling of emptiness. I think humans are designed not to be how we are living right now. थोड़ा सा थोड़ा क्या काफी ज्यादा unnatural है. तो वो मेरे को feeling तो हो रही है. But what I do try to do, which I think sometimes helps, is get into projects which I feel are very important. It could be something very simple like helping somebody out with MBA application, for instance. Something which makes you feel like you're doing a little more than the routine. Something that I guess can be equated to flow in a certain way. Personally, because of the way आजकल मेरा work life हो रहा है, I'm looking at a couple of things, and plus because of the COVID situation and what is happening, मेरा flow state at work is really hampered. I am always on a call. Full days, सुबह 9 बजे से रात के 9 बजे तक calls ही calls हो रहे हैं. I wasn't used to this kind of lifestyle so far. तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा flow state hamper कर रहा है. Leaves me very 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 drained in the end. Very drained, very like dreading the next day कि यार कल फिर से ऐसे ही होगा. उसके बाद फिर से ऐसे ही होगा. Like आज छुट्टी है. I'm actually quite happy. फिर मेरे को लेकिन ये भी थोड़ा सा dread हो रहा है कि यार कल फिर से वही शुरू हो जाएगा. Then I'm waiting till Friday evening. And I don't think I was never like this. I was never waiting for Friday evening or dreading Sunday evening. अब वो थोड़ा बहुत वो आ गया है, which I can see that little change in me. What about you? Do you feel that, or are you, because melt your cheese and all of your different creative endeavors are keeping you busy?
That's a good one. So I'll tell you, I'm working at an IT services firm, as you know. I'm also pursuing YouTube. Because साथ में I'm also talking to people who are doing different stuff here and there. So my mind is engaged in work here and there, right? A lot of conversations happening around startups, a lot of conversations happening around content with you also, editing videos, creating and all that. That goes on almost all the time, right? Although I'm immersed in work, but when I get up in the morning, I feel like, what is the purpose of my life today? Right?
Yeah.
That's a good article which was written by that person on languishing. We'll discuss more on that. But such a true feeling, right? If you get up in the morning, there's no purpose. Why should I get up, right? I have so much time on my hand because I'm working from home. Why should I get up early? Why should I even exercise when nobody is watching me? I don't meet people here and there, right? होता है ना कि थोड़ा यार you need to look good and grooming करना
Yeah,
because you meet 100 people, but अभी तो किसी से भी नहीं मिल रहा है, right?
yes.
तेरा friend circle is all here and there. You can't go meet them and chit chat about life, about shit. ठीक है? तो gossip वगैरह भी नहीं करते हैं, खत्म हो गया सब कुछ. That is a feeling which I have in the morning. Then when I start working, ऐसा लगता है यार I can't focus for like 2 hours at a stretch. वही कोविड हो
Hmm.
रहा है and lot of stuff happening at home. Then expectations भी बदल गई हैं since we are at home, we need to work. घर का भी काम होता है, then office का भी होता है. Expectations have changed a lot. Routine, I have tried to follow a routine also, just to see how it helps me. For example, I reserve 4 hours morning mein before lunch for work, and then after lunch 2 hours, then after dinner like 1.5, 2 hour also. Aise. Just to see if I feel better by working more. That hasn't really helped. Maybe because I'm all the time I'm just at home, right?
Yeah.
Not going out, not seeing anything different in front of me. Like commute भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. We're not going out, to office.
Hmm.
कहीं, not even once a week. ऐसे. And
Months
everything
on end
around us,
doesn't
yeah,
happen. Same thing. Yeah, yeah.
and people around us are suffering with the same problem, but we don't realize it because we don't talk about it. So that is what
You
I
know,
feel.
hmm,
One more thing. So
please.
I I started out this channel with running, fitness, junk nahi khana chahiye, ye wo. But what I've noticed is that when I start eating na, ठीक है, although I'm not walking as much, ठीक है,
Huh.
which I used to when I used to go to office, फिर भी I eat more than usual.
Yeah.
Somewhat I feel like मेरे अंदर कुछ I need to hunger satiate नहीं हो रही है. Sometimes like in the afternoon there's something which is
Very
there. वो
interesting.
हाँ, so I just keep eating. So I've not gained weight as such, but yeah, उतना उस level का fitness I'm not there. वो prime पे नहीं हूँ मैं. Trying to go there अब फिर से. Since I've realized
Yeah.
that कुछ गलत हो रहा है, I started eating a lot intermittently.
Yeah.
मतलब वो हमेशा नहीं होता है, but yeah, intermittently.
That craving की कुछ missing है. I get it. I have been getting it for this last week actually. Dinner के बाद मेरे को मन करता है कुछ sweet खाने का, which is very alien to me. I've not had, you know, years have gone by जब मेरे को craving नहीं हुई है sweet की. कभी-कभी होती थी, but not. यहाँ पे every day I've had a good dinner, I've had everything, और फिर 10:30-11 बजे मेरे को लगता है यार आइसक्रीम खा लूँ क्या थोड़ी? Should I just do that? And I'm like, but it's not required. You've had your food, you've had whatever, and still. So while I do indulge sometimes, I'm trying not to, but it is something that I've noticed. ये ज़रूर हो रहा है. It is that feeling of craving. Another thing that is happening related, which is not food itself, but related. I've started e-commerce में बहुत ज़्यादा मैं घुस गया हूँ. So I want to try new brands. I want to order something. And I feel that is also connected in some way. It is food and also not food items. But definitely I'm ordering more also if I notice. चाहे वो बुक्स हो, चाहे वो कुछ खाने की चीज़ हो, नए आइसक्रीम ब्रांड्स हो, कुकी ब्रांड्स हो, व्हाटएवर न्यू स्टफ आई जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई आउट. आई वांट टू ऑर्डर. मेरे को अपने पैसे खर्च करने हैं. आई थिंक उससे मेरे को कोई थोड़ी सी खुशी निकल रही है इस मोमेंट में, बट सैटिस्फैक्शन नहीं आ रहा है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
That's maybe because every day is exactly the same.
Hmm.
कुछ दिन में कुछ भी अलग नहीं है जो पहले होता था. थोड़ा सा भी एलिमेंट ऑफ मिस्ट्री नहीं रही है. पता है यही होना है. पता है सेम रिजल्ट आने वाला है. मतलब नहीं आएगा फिर भी लगता है सेम रिजल्ट आने वाला है. कितना भी
Yeah,
मेहनत कर लो वही होने वाला है. And that
exactly.
brings us to that point of languishing, right? We are not depressed,
No,
right?
not at all.
We are not
At least I don't
depressed.
think.
Yeah, same. Or we are not even flourishing as such कि भाई must, let's kick it or let's just do it, or
Definitely not.
yeah, we are
Definitely
somewhere
not.
in the middle. And this person, I forgot his name. What was his name? The person
Adam
who wrote
Grant, he's the
Adam Grant
psychologist.
recognized this problem, I think, perfectly. So I feel that I'm in that state of languishing where I'm somewhere in the middle. So let's just give context to the viewers. What is languishing? And so I think I'll begin with the spectrum of well-being, right? He talked about that spectrum of well-being. On the one end, it's flourishing where you do your best, you are just at your prime, and everything is going as you wanted things to go, right?
Yeah.
And the other end is depression. Beach mein it's languishing. somewhere in the middle. I want you to talk about languishing a little bit, then we'll deep dive
Sure.
into it more.
So in one line अगर languishing का सोचना है तो जितना भी अभी तक हमने discuss किया है before this spectrum that you've described is describing languishing. This feeling of not well-being, the feeling कि कुछ और कर सकते हैं, the feeling of not being satisfied, these cravings that you can't explain, and these aren't good cravings. These aren't cravings कि मेरे को दिव्यांश से मिलना है, फिर जाते हैं कहीं beer पीते हैं. It's more of यार कुछ करते हैं because I'm just not feeling good. So that is the state of languishing. I think most people relate to it. जिसने भी वो article पढ़ा है, they do feel that this person described me completely. I felt the same. At least I read it and then I shared it with you. मेरे को लगा कि यार ये पढ़ो. This guy makes a lot of sense. And he talks about two things which are very interesting. One is last year at this point, we were in a state of grief. The fact that our summer, our year of life was going away. Right? Now he says कि अब भी हमें बहुत important है to label what we are feeling. And that feeling is of again sort of we're just stuck in the middle. We're doing our daily chores, but it has become a chore. Our existence will become a chore almost. So I think that's something that is very aptly raised. And this guy has a very, this is past. If you look at the work that he does, and I follow him on social media for a long time, he is completely like a A1 guy. He understands about psychology. He's a great professor. इन्होंने बहुत सारे books वगैरह लिखे हैं, but इनके हर Monday I think he sends out a tweet with a little article. Even that itself is quite enlightening. This article which came in the New York Times, especially जो उन्होंने describe किया है पूरा spectrum which you spoke about, I think it very clearly shows that a lot of us are in the languishing state, in the middle of sort of not being 100%, not being completely depressed. There are unfortunately people who are in the bottom half of this. I personally don't know anybody who's in the top half. हमारे भी कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनकी शादी वादी हुई, they were very happy, probably going towards that side. फिर COVID ने hit किया, back to middle or below. I think more people should read it. You should probably put the link in the comments or in
Absolutely
the description. And that will just help you contextualize, help you talk to each other. Like we can talk in this language now, right? It's like computer code. Now both of us can say, yeah, that's what we are feeling. The state of flow is missing in our lives. I feel if more people did it, if more professionals did it with each other and gave each other space, maybe we could help each other get out of it. And he's very candid. There's literally nothing about how we can get out of it. But the first step in anything is recognizing it. And that article really takes you to that level of just understanding what you're feeling.
right.
So I think that's been very useful for me.
And I think he also pointed out that although people are not depressed right now, they're languishing, but they may just get into depression. This may lead to depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, term which he used. So I think he also mentioned that it's very important to understand that you are languishing. You need to be aware of this fact that you are languishing, accept it. Only then you will be able to move beyond it. Right. He also, I think he may have given some solution to this problem as well. What is your opinion on getting out of this problem of languishing, which is I think they're prevalent right now, and people are starting to accept it. What do you think is the solution or the step forward?
Yeah, I think everybody has to look at their own solutions, or if they really require help, going to professionals. In my case, recognition, and I've been very open about it. I didn't know the word for it. Languishing, मुझे पता नहीं था क्या होता है languishing. But I did understand that I was going through a phase. So बीच में मेरे को जैसे कभी-कभी, I think Sunday night was the time when I was like, मेरे को किसी से बात करने का मन नहीं. I just want to read a couple of books. Now I want to read my book. I want to listen to some music. I want my AC. AC खराब हो गया था, वो अलग बात है. And then I was just in the heat, which wasn't helping. It was like सब खराब है. दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा. So for me, it's about just giving myself time to rejuvenate. There are too many demands on your time, from family, from work, from all kinds of things. There's little things. मैंने पूरा लिखा हुआ है साइड में कि मेरे को अभी इंश्योरेंस अपना चेक करना है, मेरे को अपना IT रिटर्न फाइल करना है, whatever else. There's like a bunch of things that are just written here. सब कुछ में इतना टाइम लगता है, इतना एफर्ट लगता है, मेंटल स्ट्रेन लगता है. And at the end of the day, again, before it ends, the next thing has started. So for me, it is about taking time out to just give myself time to get out of the day. Bit of meditation and all that, but like I said last time, वो थोड़ा सा out से ही हो गया है. I haven't gotten back to it. Physical exercise, I've now doing much more religiously as a way to combat the daily stresses. And for me personally, which I really find relaxing, I've done it for many years. मेरे को बचपन से पसंद है. I like reading. So I've been reading quite a lot. मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. I feel it's a different world. You read, listen, learn, and get ready for the next day. But I'd like to know your thing because you're a lot more structured in that sense. So what are you doing to cope with this?
I read about this term called flow state. This guy only wrote about it, right? So I think when you are reading, you are in your flow state. When you don't have a sense of time, so I think
Hmm.
that's a good technique to kind of come out of this state. But wo flow state, na, I think I remember I used to achieve it when I was in school, as we discussed, while studying in classrooms, या फिर while studying for exams, right? And for the flow state, you actually need to enjoy the activity which you're pursuing.
Hmm.
जैसे तूने reading करी, you enjoy reading, that's why you're in the flow state, right? I am in the flow state when I'm shooting some video or when I'm doing this podcast with you. I'm just flowing with the conversation, right? And don't have a track of time, although I've seen that itna time pass by, I just looked at the watch.
Right.
Okay, so we are so lost in the process, we will have a sense of time. That's a
Hmm.
good strategy which he pointed out. कि flow state होना चाहिए. Okay?
Right.
And you need to practice that thing to come to you, right? Do something which you enjoy. You may like painting, whatever, painting, cooking, etc. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो प्रोडक्ट मतलब पैसे कमाने वाली चीज हो.
Exactly.
It can be anything like
Exactly.
cooking and running also. So when I run on the terrace, when I run, I think I'm in a flow state. I don't have a sense of time. I just keep running. Thoughts come, a lot of creative ideas come while
Hmm.
running, which I have seen. And I think that's, for me, that's the best activity to, have those creative thoughts or skip time or come out of some negative state. Apart from that,
Right.
the second thing which I read is somebody pointed out that get up in the morning, focus on the micro aspect of your life, not the macro. कि भाई तू
Okay.
दुनिया फोड़ देगा, that's a macro aspect. कि भाई तू CEO बनने वाला है, it's a macro aspect. Don't think about
Sure.
macro right now. Think about micro. कि आज तू next 1 घंटे में क्या करेगा बस. Just think about that. What will you not really achieve? What will you do in the next 1 hour? और कर वो. Focus on the micro. And there's another person named Ankur Wariku. He is the ex-CEO of Nearby.com and he has his own YouTube channel. He said, don't set targets, create habits.
Exactly.
So that kind of hit me because every day we get up in the morning like आज स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी है, आज वीडियो शूट करना है, आज ये करना है, आज वो करना ही करना है. टारगेट सेट करते हैं बट हमारी हैबिट्स डोंट मैच द टारगेट्स, राइट? ऐसी हैबिट्स नहीं है कि वी अचीव दोस टारगेट्स. ये आई हैव नॉट रियली इम्प्लीमेंटेड दीज थिंग्स इन माय लाइफ अभी बिकॉज आई रेड देम वेरी रिसेंटली, but they
Sure.
may be a good solution to the problem we are facing. Languishing ka flow state, micro focus, creating habits. तो थोड़ा सोल्यूशन मुझे लगता है वो हो सकता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? तेरे पास कोई ऐसा हथियार है क्या?
हथियार तो यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but what you said is actually very interesting. That habit wala aspect, not having targets. So one thing that I wanted to say was myself. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि और लोग करते हैं, मैं नहीं करता हूँ. एक मेंटालिटी हो गई थी, आई थिंक इट्स अ मिलेनियल सॉर्ट ऑफ न्यू एज मेंटालिटी कि हर घंटा प्रोडक्टिव होना चाहिए. एवरीथिंग यू डू शुड बी प्रोडक्टिव, राइट? I feel that is also coming in the way because most days aren't as productive as you would like them to be, personally and professionally. So if you had good habits, if you said कि यार मेरे को 1 घंटा हर रोज राइटिंग करनी है, in your case, आज शायद तू स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिख पाए, तेरे को 3 दिन लग जाए, but 3 hours if you spend on it, I think mentally you'll get trained कि I am achieving something. I'm sitting there for 3 hours, which I decide to do. मेरे को सपोज काफी लोगों को बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद नहीं है, बट दे बीन रेकमेंडेड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ डॉक्टर कि भाई बुक्स पढ़ो, थोड़ा दिमाग खुलेगा. वो लोग भी नहीं करते हैं, बट इफ दे जस्ट सेट aside half an hour before sleeping कि मैं बुक उठाऊंगा, एक पेज आगे करूंगा जितना भी हो जाए, without setting targets, I feel that will be a step forward. We had also spoken about this last time, exercise के उससे हमने किया था कि आप दिन में टाइम निकालो, आप बस जाओ, शुरू करोगे, एक स्टेप होगा. डोंट गेट फिक्सेटेड ओनली ऑन वन टास्क. You have to create those habits for a longer term benefit for yourself. So I am actually quite open to trying this out. I think ये work कर सकता है.
सही बोला यार तूने. आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट था अचीवमेंट वाला कि somebody also said write your day to day achievements, like जो भी progress करा है तूने, like even if you added like 5 subscribers to your life, उसको लिखो. Write the progress because nobody else is watching, nobody is appreciating, right? जैसे ऑफिस में लोग करते हैं ना, you get awards, अरे आते हैं दोस्त like ये bro well done, ये वो. That's
Exactly.
not happening and we are so hardwired to listen to all that appreciation. वो नहीं मिलता है.
Yeah.
मेल पे आता है but nobody is talking about it like upfront एकदम. कॉल पे करता है
When
पर
they call
फेस
you,
टू
they
फेस
forget
नहीं.
about it.
हाँ.
They forget about it. You would have done something very good. वो call करेंगे तो next काम ही होगा. It'll never be 2 minutes of wow, great job, बहुत सही काम
Yes.
किया. Now, even we don't do it. I'm not saying we do it
Exactly.
and बाकी दुनिया बेकार. नहीं यार वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. We're not able to do it.
Exactly. And you also might have noticed the other thing which is happening is that when we try to escape that negativity around us, we try to escape work in general, right? We just go and watch the news. ठीक है? जब फ्री टाइम होता है, we just go and watch the news or scroll the social media. And एक
Yes.
नया term इसके लिए coin हुआ है. It's called doom scrolling, which is like you are searching, you are going on social media, but you're going with an intent of searching for COVID-19 and you're searching only negative things.
Yeah.
That's doom scrolling. It's like तू खत्म होने वाला है, like doomsday आने वाला है, and you're going with that intent. It's a new thing which has
Right.
come up and
Looking
which
for
is very
signs of it.
interesting.
Yeah.
So अभी तक I have been also been following the media, the news, Twitter, right? Twitter में hashtag जो भी trending है, it's COVID, it's Modi, right? And lot of things जो maybe are leading to doom scrolling, right? हम लोग चाहते नहीं वो न्यूज आए पर वो आ जाती है. Even
Of course.
Facebook, right? Even Instagram, people are suffering. कहीं ना कहीं से वो आ जाता है निकल के, right? So what do you think? तू भी you're also suffering from doom scrolling or अभी you have not realized it yet?
I haven't realized it yet, which is a good thing or bad thing. I don't know. So confused.
हाँ.
Though I have seen people do it. I have seen people just forwarding a lot of negative news, a lot of ये भी खराब, वो भी खराब, सब खराब वाला एक जो होता है. And I don't know if doom scrolling also involves. वो बस लगे ही रहते हैं, वो देखते ही रहते हैं, देखते ही रहते हैं, देखते ही रहते हैं. कुछ आ जाए, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आ जाए, कुछ खराब आ जाए. I don't know what they're looking for while scrolling. या वीडियो है लूप पे चले जा रहा है. It starts from पॉजिटिव, आप देखते हो फूड रिव्यू, एंड अप हो जाते हो कि वो जो आपका छोले वाला था उसे कोविड हो गया, और कोविड हो गया तो सबको हो गया, एंड नाउ एवरीबॉडी इज टायर्ड, डेड, एंड द वर्ल्ड इज कमिंग टू एन एंड. इट्स स्कैरी. आई नोटिस इट लास्ट ईयर. थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा था. आई स्टॉप रीडिंग द न्यूज. मैं डेली नंबर्स भी ट्रैक नहीं करता हूँ ज्यादातर. ऊपर से देख लेता हूँ व्हाट मेन थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. ट्विटर में मैं फुटबॉल स्कोर वगैरह ही देखता हूँ ज्यादातर. थोड़ा बहुत कभी कभी बह जाता हूँ फ्लो में. पीएम ने कुछ बोला तो उसके रिएक्शंस में पढ़ रहा था कि लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, या अगर लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हुआ तो उसके अराउंड क्या न्यूज आ रही है. Apart from that, I try to really switch off. I don't think it's healthy. I realize that, and I've always been very clear about social media and that as well. So I try to keep it up.
That's not healthy. तूने सही बोला because I read that when you doom scroll, you feel anxious, right? That anxiety leads to the release of cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and adrenaline, which comes out when you are doing intense activity or when you're trying to flee a dangerous situation, right? तो जब वो होता है, our immunity automatically drops.
Yeah.
And immunity is the most important thing right now.
Yes.
तो
Absolutely.
ये thread पूरा, this social media negative doom scrolling is leading to lower immunity. हम लोगों ने कभी realize नहीं किया होगा, but this is actually happening. So not sure if this is a strategy or this is a phenomenon which people are suffering from.
Yeah.
But it's scary to even know about this. But its awareness is very important. You should know that this is happening.
Definitely. In fact, I don't think enough people know about it. People think they're getting informed. यार किस हॉस्पिटल में ऑक्सीजन बाकी है वो तो ट्विटर ही बता रहा है मेरे को, और कहाँ से पता चल रहा है. Well, yes, there are positives of social media, but negatives for the general public ज़्यादा हैं. Apart from fake news and other things like that, ये anxiety, ये stress जो आप ले रहे हो, it is best avoided at this point. for your own health and benefit. आपकी immunity अभी कम होगी and you know this is an immune suppressant virus. So it's scary and I hope more people learn about it.
And इसी से I think there's another question which I have for you is, what has the pandemic taught us about health?
I think it's a very cliched answer, but मैं तब भी बोल देता हूँ. You know, health is wealth, right? ये स्कूल से बोलते हैं, बच्चे बोलते रहते हैं. आपने देख लिया, that is the only thing that comes in handy. बाकी कुछ doesn't really come in handy when you really need it. Also, we've learned two things which are kind of opposite sides of the coin. One, that we are very resilient. Humans are very resilient. You will figure out ways. You will try to get out of it. You will survive. But you obviously do need to inculcate that mindset also. And number two is how delicate human beings are. I know it's a contradiction. कि कितने जल्दी लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं. People you knew are dying. वो एक दिन को कोविड होता है, दूसरे दिन they're gone. People around, if not COVID, stress related issues हो रहे हैं. People are getting heart issues suddenly. People can't concentrate, depression, languishing, all of those things are happening. So I think जागरूकता जिसको कहते हैं, awareness about your own health, even in the best of times, even in bad times, uh, is very important. That has come out. I think a lot of people are jumping onto this train now of keeping healthy, which includes food, sleep, fitness, all of that. And I think that's very, very important. I realized in myself that having the kind of lifestyle that I was leading, which was very aware, was very useful. It really helped me go certain phases better कर दिया उस चीज ने. It also helped as a good conversation, upliftment thing for my friends and families को मेरे को बात करना था कि आप इस पे focus करो, you feel better. But there's still lots to do as a country, as a society. I don't think we have enough focus on that. It's so strange. It is so critical, but it's probably the last thing that anybody thinks about. Slightly disappointing.
Actually, I've seen so many people कि they used to say कि अरे मुझे डायबिटीज है, मुझे हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है, मैं थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिविटी कर लेता हूँ, बट आई डिडंट सी पीपल डू इट. ठीक है, मतलब कभी करते हुए ऐसे, मतलब बोलते हैं बट करते हुए नहीं है. लाइक थोड़ा बहुत मूव कर लिया डजंट हेल्प बिकॉज आवर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स आर सो ऑफ. ठीक है, यू डोंट even spend 10 minutes doing some form of medium intense activity, which is बोल के डॉक्टर्स थक गए हैं कि भाई 15 मिनट कर लो, 15 मिनट दौड़ लो, 15 मिनट तेज वॉक कर लो, ब्रिस्क वॉक कर लो, कूद लो थोड़ा सा, कोई नहीं कर रहा है. So and now when things are going out of control, that thing is coming up. For example, COVID affects the lungs, right? If we already have weak lungs or your lung capacity low hai, you will definitely need a lot of support. The lungs will need support, right? Lekin on the other hand, if you do maybe a lot of cardio, a lot of running, or maybe some sort of HIIT CrossFit. For example, you take Milind Soman. He's 55. He had COVID, right? He is a runner, but उसको ऐसे लंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो because maybe he's been an athlete all throughout his life. He's been running active. ये वो staying active is important. बोलते आ रहे हैं लोग, but most of us have not adopted. हाँ, because work is more important. Work हमारे को पैसा कमा के देगा. We can work, but we won't put time into exercise. So exercise, कुछ भी कर लो भाई, it's important. Even if you don't eat as much कि exercise नहीं करनी पड़े, but still exercise is important because the body needs that stimulus to improve या फिर strengthen.
For sure. I mean, at the end of the day, humans are animals also, right?
Yeah.
And movement is a big part of how organisms live. We are not meant to be sitting in front of a computer all day long or just sitting. We are supposed to be moving. That's how we are built. That's what our systems need. और आप सोच के देखो, आधे घंटे दिन में 24 घंटों में half an hour you need to take out. आप brisk walking कर लो, like you do on your terrace, you run, whatever. आप योगा कर लो थोड़ा. आप जो भी you want to do push-ups and squats and burpees, whatever you want to do, half an hour I think it's very critical. And everybody should do it. I think there's no age. आपको अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाना चाहिए, आपको अपनी दादी को भी सिखाना चाहिए. The entire spectrum needs to be engaged in active lifestyle.
In fact,
the start of it is just half an hour of exercise, Ideally though they should do things like वो Pomodoro कि आप
Pomodoro.
जब ब्रेक ले रहे हो 5-10 मिनट का उसमें आप walk around, you know, why sit, why take a sugary tea and sit and or smoke, go walk around, have a
Absolutely.
carrot in your hand and walk around in your house. I
Absolutely.
think that'll be much more healthy and useful for you.
In fact, तूने
And
when you said this,
yeah,
जैसे तूने ये बोला, I just thought that I should ask you this question. What changes do you see coming around you or in the world once everything is okay?
I really hope we don't forget,
Hmm.
you know, because a lot of people have died
Yes.
because of this.
Sadly.
तो वो आपको कुछ नहीं तो उनकी श्रद्धांजलि आप समझ के you should remember the lessons from this pandemic, and there are a few very important lessons. One is health, second is family and friends, right? You do need society to thrive. You can't let go of people that easily. You can't have small grudges that you hold against people. So that is most important. In terms of changes, यार एक तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि there will be a lot of changes in how we do business, how we work and all that. That is one critical change if you ask on an economy wide thing. I think after that most people will be uh, really into health. I think they will start getting into it. At least they'll figure out how to make best use of these parks and gardens that we have around, how to, you know, live an active lifestyle. I think that will happen. People will tend to forget over time, but जो अभी young लोग हैं, I hope they remember these lessons. It'll really help them as they sort of move forward. And I really hope this happens, that we as a society start taking steps for, you know, health at a larger level. Well-being को हम एक as a society start taking it more importantly and take advanced planning of things. So I think there's a bit of hope. There's something that are obviously changing. My for my own self is living life more fully. जो मेरे को लगता था मैं पहले कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को लगता है और ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to live every moment. Be mindful of every moment that is coming in, because it can be taken away like that. I've heard of a few cases in the last few days. आप एक सेकंड you're living normally, next second आपको you know वो शमशान घाट में जगह नहीं मिल रही है.
It's true.
And it's unfortunate, but it is important that somebody says it. You have to live life fully because it can be over anytime. जिंदगी लंबी भी है, बड़ी भी है, और एक सेकंड में खत्म भी हो जाती है. Work
सही.
grudges are not important. They are just not important. आप कुछ भी कर लें, even if you're prime minister of any country, president of United States, at the end of the day, you have a very small amount of time that you are on this planet. उसमें आपको सारा निकाल के चूस लेना चाहिए. Should live. वो नहीं बोलते हैं जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. आनंद में जो डायलॉग था वो, I know I'm speaking of Mr. Anand only, but that is, I genuinely believe to all my friends and family that this is what we all have to focus on. You have to cherish every moment.
Bro, I think this is a very deep answer which you gave here. I didn't think इतना deep, but तूने जो बोला है that will happen. Definitely, people who become aware of what is happening, they will realize कि you know, relationships, life is short, unpredictable. Life is a mystery. Future is a mystery.
Yes.
Past is history, and present is like it's a present, right? That's why it's called present.
अब व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड छोड़ दो भाई, तुम वो भी सोशल मीडिया में डालो अपने doom scrolling में.
Doom scrolling. So yeah, definitely. मतलब if you look around, environment में बहुत change आने वाला है, but सबसे ज़्यादा change mentality में आएगा. Big shift in mentality. How we look at each other, deal with relationships, friendship. You know, look at our parents, their health, our health. That will be the topmost priority. जहाँ पे change भी आएगा बहुत बड़ा. People will stop being careless maybe to an extent. कुछ टाइम तक, जब तक भूलते नहीं है कि कोविड था क्या. वो 100 साल पहले स्पेनिश फ्लू आया था, एंड देन उसके बाद आई थिंक माइट हैव टेकन, भूल गए लोग. अभी अवेयरनेस ज्यादा है, सोशल मीडिया है, न्यूज़ है, मीडिया ये वो, एंड थिंग्स आर गोइंग स्प्रेडिंग लाइक वाइल्ड फायर. तो ज्यादा अवेयरनेस है इसके बारे में. लेट्स सी, लर्निंग्स भी रहे फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम.
Yeah, you know why I'm actually hopeful good changes will remain is because of people like you, a lot of people like you. जो कि via these media of blogging, podcasting, YouTube videos, they are actually creating a journal of what is happening right now. And hopefully that can be accessed many years down the line also, whenever people are confused, whenever there's a situation like this again, they'll be able to open live stream and we figure out कि उस समय के दो गधे क्या बात कर रहे थे. No, what
All
were
locked
two,
up.
yeah, like what were people doing? What can we do better?
I think the
So I
youth
think,
right now, millennials, can be a big contributor in terms of creating a positive environment. Right, online बहुत
yeah,
जरूरी है. We need to have conversations around positivity, not languishing. ठीक है, इतना languish नहीं करना चाहिए अब. Need to change और actively होना चाहिए. It's much required, bro. And you're right. Journal banega, people will come back and watch stuff later, and they will learn a lot. And I think to be you've become a great contributor. All of us have become great contributors in some way or the other. We are trying to become, because we're trying to get out of that rut of languishing. Right? Languishing ka jo hum discuss kiya. Maybe that's the thing, and we want some change.
I have one question actually that came to mind,
Haan.
and I was discussing it with my brother yesterday. That's why, and it's very relevant to what you said. थोड़ा high level से low level पे अगर ले आए, or I don't know what level. Changes में, do you think after this pandemic, the market for wearables, market for medical devices such as the oxygen concentrators, oximeters, और जो छोटे मोटे ऐसी चीजें, ECG machine जो Apple Watch में अब हो रहा है, will these grow or will people just forget कि ये सब चीजें important होनी भी है, नहीं होनी है, or it'll become, what is your thoughts on that?
Acha, I'll answer this question from a marketing perspective first. Okay. So what these companies are really smart at doing is they pick up trends, they create marketing campaigns around them, right?
Yeah.
And then somewhere down the line, they try and sell that feature as part of that, product. It may or may not be useful in the future, but since it's a trend, they try and capture it and sell it to you, and you will buy it because it's a trend, and
Yeah.
people are buying that trend, right? You are worried about your health, definitely they're cashing on that. ठीक है, SpO2 आज तक लाइफ में नहीं सुना था. तो people are scared. जिसको इनको कोविड हुआ है, people who have suffered may just give more importance to these things in the future, and tech companies will obviously cash in on those opportunities. They won't leave that opportunity.
Yeah.
So I think these gadgets, these technologies will get more diverse. ठीक है, people should be more aware कि भाई गैजेट है, ठीक है, but is it really helping me in any way? अब पूरे टाइम ऑक्सीजन लेवल देख के तो पता नहीं ना कि एग्जैक्टली कब ड्रॉप कर जाएगा, फिर तू क्या करेगा. मतलब that in that sense medical devices will grow in that space. घर में आ जाएंगी चीजें. For example, I talked to my sister. She talked about a startup which makes ICU beds. That ICU बना देगा घर में पूरे आपके रूम को. That those things will grow. तो घर के अंदर डिवाइसेस आ रहे हैं, घर के अंदर ही सब हो रहा है, इंस्टेड ऑफ डिपेंडिंग ऑन द हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. मे बी अगर कोई अभी इस पॉइंट पे, इफ वी आर सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन द हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, अगर कोई ऐसा इनोवेशन ले आता है कि भाई डिपेंडेंसी बहुत कम हो जाए, दैट विल बी अ रेवोल्यूशन. एंड टेक कंपनीज शुड कम फॉरवर्ड, इन हेल्पिंग विद दैट चेंज. मे बी राइट, जैसे स्टार्टअप, वो वाला स्टार्टअप, आई एम नॉट श्योर कितने लोगों को पता है उस स्टार्टअप के बारे में, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड लिंक दैट स्टार्टअप समवेयर डाउन बिलो. And more startups are needed in that area. And तूने जो बोला ना, gadgets में changes, wearables are definitely coming, and people are getting more aware कि भाई wearable, पहले देख, before pandemic wearables were not even a thing. मतलब it was just छोटा मोटा grow कर रहा था. अभी since people have time, people have money, marketing भी हो रही है अच्छी, social media पे हम doom scrolling भी कर रहे हैं, these wearables are selling. लोग पहनेंगे. हेल्थ का भाई, हेल्थ तो इज टॉप प्रायोरिटी राइट नाउ. क्या सेलिंग हेल्थ, तो वो ग्रो करेगा स्पेस. इट मे बी अ पॉजिटिव थिंग यार. मे बी आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि वो मार्केटिंग ट्रेंड है, बट इट मे बी जस्ट बी अ पॉजिटिव थिंग. पीपल विल बी मोर अवेयर ऑफ देयर हेल्थ. कितने स्टेप्स चले भाई, राइट? हार्ट रेट कितना है आपका, राइट? इज इट टू हाई व्हेन यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग, और इज इट बहुत ज्यादा हाई तो नहीं. जब आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो तो बहुत ज्यादा हार्ट रेट का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता, राइट? शुड नॉट बी 90 और 100 व्हेन यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. वो अवेयरनेस आ जाएगी, राइट?
Exactly.
गैजेट से एटलीस्ट तो अवेयरनेस आ जाएगी. From that positive perspective, it's really good. Awareness के लिए, health awareness के लिए, it's amazing. That's what I feel.
I tend to
So,
agree. मेरे को यही फीलिंग है. ये सब चीजें इंक्रीज करेंगी. I am actually most excited about the intelligence that comes out of it, right? So जब इतना
data.
डेटा कलेक्ट होगा, can you be predictive? Can you tell them कि आपका ऑक्सीजन कम होने वाला है because your heart rate has been like this for the past few hours? या whatever else. I mean, ऑक्सीजन तो अभी का it's a trending topic.
हाँ.
कुछ और होगा. So I feel that way our health infrastructure will also be able to improve with having limited spaces and money allocated to such stuff. So it'll be interesting. I mean, every negative also has a positive. I think this will be a
Look,
positive.
imagine you are wearing a wearable, ठीक है? You have this watch. Oxygen level कम हुआ, IoT लगा हुआ है, ठीक है? This message gets transmitted to your insurance partner or whatever. Gets transmitted to your hospital. Hospital से मैसेज आएगा, भाई आपका काफी टाइम से ऑक्सीजन लेवल लो चल रहा है. Should we do something? So it all ties up. The ecosystem all ties up. अगर ऐसा हो जाता है, then I think things will change drastically. Then
that intelligence aspect is required though. I think that is lacking. Like right now ना Fitbit मेरे को ठीक है steps दिख रहा है, मेरे को अपना heart rate दिख रहा है, मेरे को अपना sleep दिख रहा है, सब दिख रहा है. But what is it really telling me? You know, at the end of the day. वो aspect पे थोड़ा और काम चाहिए. I heard about this bed. I forget the name of it. US की कोई company है. They have this IoT enabled bed completely. वो आपके sleep को monitor करता रहता है and all that, and it gives you real time insights into you might be falling sick because your sleep has been disturbed like this over the last 2 days. Apparently, your heart rate keeps fluctuating 2 days before you get a fever or your body fights an infection.
Damn.
तो predictive में भी हो सकता है. You know, imagine if COVID होने से पहले आपको पता चल जाए कि आपको होने वाला है and you should do these things, or hopefully in the future when the medicine comes आपको इस पे कर लेना चाहिए. I don't know. I mean, the possibilities are quite there, and I'm quite excited about how it changes.
Absolutely, yeah. Predictive analytics जिसे कहते हैं, I think it's a future, and predicting pandemics, health, infrastructure पे burden, अगर कोई predict कर लेगा ये सब, I think the world will change forever. हो जाएगा, मुझे लग रहा है कुछ time में that will come. तो
और ये fitness आएगा, fitness being the base.
Fitness being the base, fitness being the wearables being the base, wearables coming up, ये adoption वहाँ से आएगा. Let's see, let's hope for the best. On this note, we should end the first episode of live streaming. I think it was great having you on the show again, bro. We need more such episodes coming up in the coming future. Although future is a mystery, but still, ऐसे और episodes आएंगे, then it will be great for the viewers also. I think they learn a few things from us, and they may add some of their viewpoints in the comment section. But I think it's been a great conversation, bro, with you. Mind opener.
Oh wow! No, glad to be back. Really happy. It was a great chat again, and just flow state भी थोड़ा achieve किया, and I feel different. I would just request you to be safe, your entire family to be safe in this time, and everybody who's listening. Thank you. सब लोग आप safe रहिए. Vaccine first May से शायद शुरू हो जाएंगे. Please take it if you are eligible for it, which most of you will be. And please keep maintaining the directives that the health department is giving. कि आप 6 feet की distance maintain कीजिए, लोगों से ज़्यादा pass मत कीजिए. Avoid going out and doing things which will hurt us in the long run. थोड़े और दिन we have to be disciplined, and we'll be out of this language state. तब तक हमें सुनते रहिए, live streaming करते रहिए.
Maybe. Let's hope for the best, bro. Thanks for joining in.
Nice being here.
Thank you guys for joining in.